Hey guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answer in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. If you need any other help, you can also contact. Here, question number 5A is here. How can we improve the use of cellophane in hemodialysis to help patients? And why do we need to decide whether to use an artery or vein to take out blood during the treatment? And how does it affect the patients? So this question is basically from lesson 14 and the word limit is 100 to 150. We have prepared all the answers according to the word limit and according to the chapter wise. If you need answers of these questions, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.